Now, before you start sniggering, yes, it does feel a bit weird having a knob in my hand while driving. Some people swear by these things for quick direction changes and tight turns. And we'll see if this knob is a stroke of genius or something I'm just going to yank off after the event.
Welcome to the Gentleman's Motor Racing Team, where we are competing in motorsport as a fun experience, and we're probably unique as most of our sponsorship is through crowdfunding from lovely people like you. Your support, as always, is hugely appreciated. Thank you very much.
If you've never tried forward only auto testing, you really should give it a go. It's so much fun. You can do it in your daily driver and it's so cheap. All you need to compete is a Motorsport UK RS Clubman licence. There's no test and it's completely free. You need to be a member of a Motorsport UK affiliated club. For example, the Isle of Wight Car Club, it's only £30 a year. And the events that we run on the Isle of Wight, you get 6 attempts at the course and it only costs £20. I'll leave a link in the description below. Compared to stage rallying, it's an absolute bargain. On that note, we're trying to enter the 2025 Jersey Rally in our Mark II Classic Rally Mini. As you'll often hear me say, we're kind of unique because most of our sponsorship is through crowdfunding by lovely people like you. And our latest crowdfunding venture is a raffle to try and raise funds for our entry into this Jersey Rally. If you can spare a tenner, why not enter the raffle and win some of these amazing prizes? All the proceeds from the raffle help us get a little bit closer to stage start. If you can't afford to enter the raffle, don't worry, we still appreciate your support. And one of the best ways that you can help us out is just to click that like button and maybe subscribe to our channel. I love the way your graphics glint in the sun as you go round. It's amazing.
Go faster.
Submit it. You. This one.
57, I reckon.
Your door's open.
That's on fail out.
Right, let's get back to the Ignis. And everybody knows a lightweight car is a fast car. We're always trying to lose a little bit more weight out of the Ignis. So for this event, I took the window trim out, so the airbags, the glove box, the roof lining, and that saved us a massive 9 kilos. Dad wasn't competing this weekend because he was on holiday, so I thought, why not take out the passenger seat? Believe it or not, the passenger seat weighed 18 kilos. That's a total of 27 kilos just for this event. So you're saying new engine?
New quiet engine as well.
Made any difference?
Yeah, well, that's the first time I've driven it.
Yeah.
Typical me. Apart from driving it around the yard this morning and put it on the trailer, that's it. That's all it's had. So the first time it went out, yeah, it's quite smooth. I'm going to try and give it a bit more, but everything's different. Different clutch, so it's all. And before I was kicking the clutch instead of doing the throttle, so now I need to revert. Yeah. All needs to go back to.
So is it the same type of engine?
Exactly the same engine.
Same engine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Different clutch unit. It now revs like it should. It's not lumpy.
A steering bobble on it. Slightly been going
Let's have a look. Come on, I need some details. Oh, mate, the risks of having a knob. Have you got a knob? No knob. No knob. Have you got a knob, sir? No knob.
got that knob.
Do you have a knob? No, yeah, only in the passenger seat. Keep adjusting yourself, mate.
It's problem sharing a car, isn't it? Like,
Yeah.
I like the seat a bit further back, he likes the seat a bit further forward.
And then you have to adjust
then
the
you gotta
harness. Did you say you had problems with your handbrake?
Yeah, just nothing's happening where I took the sway bar off because I kept snapping drop links. And yeah.
Oh, that's affected the handbrake.
Yeah.
It's a direct
Yeah.
consequence of that. Oh no.
Directly, yeah.
So what's that? You need an upgrade then?
Yeah, I've got a hydro handbrake sat waiting in the shed.
Woohoo! Mate, you've had the bonnet on your car open all day. What's going on?
I don't know. It's just knocking.
Knocking?
Not the engine,
Oh.
suspension or steering.
So go and cheat then.
Nah, we're going to spend some money on it.
Well, navigating, so do you know where you're going?
Hope so.
First impressions, I really didn't like it. I was over enthusiastic with my knob. I'd go into a corner and I'd go, whoa, full lock, and go, oh, hang on, that's too much lock, and then have to back off again. After a few runs, I calmed down, and then it became much more fluid. Oh no! Is that because you were gripping on so tightly?
I went round the corner and just come off.
Right, enough of that. Let's go back to my knob. Now, yes, I was really enjoying the quick response to be able to go round the cones. However, the bit I didn't like, there was a part of the course that was almost straight, but we had to do a bit of a wiggle and go over a bump. And of course, where I'm holding on to the steering wheel with only one hand, as the car was doing this, I was actually steering at the same time, which was exaggerating the wobble of the car and making it worse. So I'm not happy with that. I have thought maybe during straight sections, put my other hand on the steering wheel. I never thought of doing that at the time. I'd love to hear your feedback on how best to drive a car with, you know, your knob in your hand.